says he's always in the race to be the chief minister, saying, I've always been part of this race. If the opportunity arises, I will speak about it. Now, this is the latest that we're getting right now. G. Parmeshwara saying that he's always been in this race to be the chief minister. This, of course, in the backdrop of this entire power tussle that we are seeing playing out. Afreen, let me come back to you on this development as well. What can you tell us?
Well, absolutely. Home Minister G. Parmeshwara has told multiple times before also that he is in the part, is part of the Chief Minister race in Karnataka. He said that, even when he was KPCC president in 2013, the party has come to power. And he said that, but he lost elections that year. And he says that if he hadn't lost elections, then, some other decision would have been made. So he has been hinting at, being part of the Chief Minister race in Karnataka. He's never backed out of it. His aspirations remain. Meanwhile, he continues to say that, the chief minister chair is not vacant in Karnataka. Siddaramaiah is there, and he has reaffirmed multiple times that he will finish the 5-year term in office. These are some of the statements that G. Parmeshwara has been making. He refuses to back down from saying that he is aspiring to become the chief minister, but also says that the post is not vacant as of now.
All right. Well, Afreen, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Of course, this is a power tussle that we will continue to track very closely. Thank you so much for the latest on this.